Welcome to this quick user guide on the Verizon Customer Installation Tracker. We're excited to have you as a strategic partner. The tracker is an online tool designed to provide high-level status updates for your private wireless network, neutral host network, or in-building coverage deployment. While your Verizon project manager remains your main contact, this tool offers a useful, at-a-glance reference for key milestones. Accessing the tracker is simple. First, log into your company My Business account. Next, click on Manage at the top. Product Portals. Choose View All. Then scroll until you see the on-site network dashboard. The interface is organized into several key areas to help you monitor your project effectively. At the top of the page, you'll see the installation type and the unique site name. If you have multiple sites, each location will also have its own unique site name. You can view all of your site locations using the drop-down menu. The installation stage indicator clearly displays your current progress, showing both completed and upcoming stages of your project. In the Stakeholders section, you'll find names and contact information for your Verizon points of contact. Installation tasks list details of all completed items and upcoming milestones of your deployment. The Resources area provides valuable documents, including a downloadable customer journey guide. We hope this overview helps you leverage the Customer Installation Tracker to stay informed on your network deployment status.